Hello friends, today I am going to start a Laplace transform. What is Laplace transform? The definition of Laplace transform is that it is a techniques by which we convert the differential and integral equation to simple algebraic equation for the solution. Now I am writing the formula for Laplace transform when we are going to find Laplace of a given function. Then f equal to f of s, which is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. This is the formula for Laplace transform. Now I am writing some important formulas and its proof. Number 1 is that Laplace of 1, which is equal to 1 over s. Now I am going to its proof. How we will prove it. When we are going to prove Laplace of 1, on the place of f of t we will put 1, then it become Laplace of 1 equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st dot 1 dt. Now when we find its integration, then it become equal to e power minus st divided by minus s. Now put the value of its limit. When we put infinity, then it become equal to minus infinity divided by minus s. And when we put minus a formula and 1 minus this, then it become plus. So e power 0 divided by s, e power minus infinity equal to 0, and this become 1 divided by s. So Laplace transform of 1 equal to 1 over s. Similarly, when we find Laplace transform of t, then it equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st into t dt. To find this, we will find it on by parts. Then it equal to first integration of second minus integration derivative of first, it become 1, and integration of second, it become e power minus st divided by minus s into dt. And last we will put its limit. For simplification we are not writing its limit. First integration of second become e power minus st divided by minus s, minus minus plus 1 over s, and its integration become e power minus st divided by minus s. Now put the limit 0 to infinity. When we put here infinity, then it become e power minus infinity, which is equal to 0. And when we put 0 on place of t, then it becomes 0. So 0 plus 0. But when we put here plus infinity, then it equal to 0. E power minus infinity equal to 0. But when we put here 0, then it equal to e power 0 divided by s square. So Laplace of t equal to 1 divided by s square. To generalize this Laplace transform, Laplace of t power n equal to n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. Now another formula, Laplace of sine of t equal to what? Now we are going to find Laplace of sine t. It proof become easy. We will put 0 to infinity e power minus st into sine of t into dt. E for iota theta equal to cos of theta plus iota of sine theta. It is Euler function. Euler function from here sine of theta equal to e to the power iota theta real of imaginary part of img, imaginary part of e for iota theta equal to sine theta. When we take imaginary part of e power iota theta imaginary, e to the power iota theta, then it become equal to sine of theta. On place of sine t we will put e to the power iota t, so it become easy. 0 to infinity e power minus st into imaginary part of e to the power iota t into dt. Imaginary part of 0 to infinity e to the power minus st into e to the power iota t into dt. Now take the common e to the power minus s minus, then it become s minus iota into t dt. Now take the integration, then it become equal to imaginary part of 0 to infinity. Now we will take its integration, then it become equal to e power minus s minus iota into t divided by s minus iota. And now put the limit 0 to infinity, then it become equal to, when we put here infinity, then it become equal to 0 e power minus infinity, which is equal to 0. But when we put here 0, then it equal to 1 divided by s minus iota. Now we will take its conjugate. It will be equal to s plus iota divided by s plus iota. So it equal to s divided by a square plus 1 into plus iota divided by a square plus 1. But here we write again and again imaginary part of this whole, which is equal to 1 divided by a square plus 1. So Laplace of sine t equal to 1 divided by a square plus 1. This is our answer. Similarly, we can find Laplace of cos of t